Analysts had expected certain fluctuations in the euro ahead of the EU producer price index. However, it did not happen. The EU Producer Price Index was projected to rise to 43.6% from 37.9%, which could have finally dispelled all rumors about the pace and size of further rate increases. However, traders were puzzled after the release of that data. To start with, the previous figure was revised upward to 38%. Apart from that, the index advanced to 43.3%. As a result, market participants turned out to be wrong, so investors need time to digest fresh figures. Yet they are not extremely different compared to the previous ones. Producer prices are growing at a record pace without showing any signs of a slowdown. It's also signaling a further increase in inflation. The ECB has no choice but to raise interest rates more aggressively. The euro maintains a bullish bias even before the end of the European session, and it may climb higher after the opening of the American trade. Now we see that the euro-USD pair reached the resistance level of 0.9850 during the corrective movement. It triggered a drop in the volume of long positions. The euro managed to rebound, and however it eventually got stuck in the narrow range between 0.9750 and 0.9850. After the opening of the European trade today, there was a breakout of the upper border of the narrow range. It led to the prolongation of the upward correction. If the price consolidates above 0.9850, it may touch the parity level again. The GBP-USD pair was also trying to bounce off the swing low of the downtrend. As a result, in about a week, the British currency grew by 10%, gaining more than 1,000 pips. Despite such drastic price changes, which usually signal the overbought status, the pound sterling could reach new highs. If the price settles above 1.1410 on the 4-hour chart, it may lead to an increase in the volume of long positions. The upward movement is likely to persist as well. If it fails to break through 1.1410, the pair may halt its growth and perform a downward reversal. So, how we're going to be in the short term in a financial markets, we will definitely tell you in our next news releases. Don't miss them and stay up to date with us. Subscribe to our channel and see you later.